In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the Beehiiv API. We're going to walk through this step by step so you can quickly find and copy your API keys inside your Beehiiv account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the dashboard, how to access the API settings, and how to safely grab the key you need for your integrations or automations. First, open your web browser and go to the Beehiiv dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the correct account and publication where you want to use the API. It's a good idea to do this on a desktop or laptop because the layout is much easier to navigate than on a mobile device. Once the dashboard loads, you should see your main Beehiiv workspace with your publication overview. From here, look for the settings option. You'll usually find this in the main navigation menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on Settings to open your publication settings area. This is where Beehiiv keeps most of the configuration options for your account, including things like publication details, custom domains, and of course, the API section. Once you're inside the settings area, look for the API option. Depending on your layout, it may appear in a sidebar or as a tab within your settings. Click on API to open the page where Beehiiv exposes your API configuration. This section is specifically designed for developers or anyone integrating Beehiiv with other tools, such as custom websites, automation platforms, or analytics dashboards. After the API page opens, scroll all the way down to the bottom. Take your time and scroll carefully so you don't miss it. Near the bottom of this page, you'll see your API keys, typically separated into V1 and V2. These versions correspond to different versions of the Beehiiv API, and your integration or documentation will usually specify which one you need to use. Next to each API key, you'll see a small copy icon. When you've identified the version you want to use, simply click on that copy icon. This will copy the selected API key directly to your clipboard, so you can paste it into your code editor, integration tool, or environment variables. Be sure to keep this key private and never share it publicly, since it grants access to your Beehiiv data. And that's it. You've successfully accessed